Now it's time to send your project to the Maker. First, let's go over what's in the Cricut kit that is with the Maker machine here in Ignite. We have 4 12-inch by 12-inch mats, all with different amounts of stickiness. There's a list of what materials should be used on each mat. We also have a 12-inch by 24-inch mat for longer projects. There is a container of blades and tools for different uses with an explanation sheet of what tools are in the container. There's a set of markers, a USB cord, and a set of basic weeding tools for vinyl use. There are also an assortment of scrap paper and vinyl to experiment with. First, open the top lid to the Maker and the bottom will lower. Push the power button. Now back to Design Space. Click the Continue button and you'll be on the page where you will connect your device to the machine. If no device is found, go to the Bluetooth settings for the laptop. Click on Bluetooth and other devices, then add Bluetooth or other device. Then click Bluetooth. If the Maker is powered on, it should appear. Click it and then enter the 4-digit PIN on the inside cover of the machine. Click Connect and the Maker is ready to go. Choose your base material, which is vinyl. I'm using an adhesive vinyl, but if I was cutting vinyl for a t-shirt, I would use iron-on vinyl. For other material, you can click Browse All Materials to get a full list and searching capabilities. Now it's time to load your tools into Clamp A and B. It tells you that nothing goes in Clamp A, but the fine point blade should be in Clamp B. That's the standard go-to blade for this machine, so it is usually already in the Maker. Now, adhere the vinyl to the mat. Paper side down, vinyl side up. I'm going to use the green standard mat and line my vinyl up in the left corner. To load the mat, line it up under the silver rolling bar. Make sure both covers are under the white plastic mat guides on either side. The arrow button under the power button on the machine should be blinking. Press the button while gently holding the bottom of the mat and it should feed into the machine. But make sure the mat went in straight. If not, it could damage the machine, destroy the mat, and potentially your material. The button with the C on it should now be blinking. So press that and your project should start running. When it's finished, the arrow button will blink to unload the mat. This is the end of our video on running a project on the Cricut Maker. To learn how to finish your project, watch our third video called Finishing Your Adhesive Vinyl Project. Thanks for watching.